Well, I promised I'd make a video of my rear fender delete that I did on my own. Really wasn't much to it. It's not like some extravagant thing. This is what comes factory on the RS660, and it goes right here. So that's how it would look factory. And now, I mean, look how great that looks. Ugh. Anyway, sorry, I'm infatuated with my own bike. So let me turn on the lights here. All right, so what I did, so this is how it looks from the back. So what I did was I took off the pegs, and then the bolt holes for the pegs, I just found a blinker that fit in there perfect. And I mean, there's a little bit of a gap, but yeah, I just used those holes, and they're just the same pitch, just threaded them in and had them face out. They're real tight in there, so you have to really turn it. The thread or the pitch might be a little off, but they worked. I just found these little blinkers, and then the plate itself is just screwed in through the plastics. There's not much to it at all. I have no light for the license plate, but I haven't been hassled here. I mean, other states you might. And I plan on making this Aprilia vinyling that red, so it just looks a little better back here. But that's all there is to it. The wires for the blinkers go through the center of the hole. Whoa, I forgot where my blinker is. That's it lit up. That side. That side. That's all it is to it. Not much. Just be careful wherever you put the bolts for the plate. Sorry, 1 second here. I'm not gonna make this into clips. I'm doing one video. But oh, I don't know if you can even see it. You used to be able to, because I did with taking this tray out, but yeah, you can't see it. But just make sure that the bolt holes like line up and don't hit anything on the inside. I found a good spot where there was nothing inside. It wouldn't hit anything when they went through. I was a little concerned with them being stripped out, but it's not like there's any pressure or anything there. So there's no problem at all. That's it. I'll put I mean, the lights I got were just some cheap, like $20 ones on eBay. Sure there's cooler ones you can get, but I'll put my link down there, so maybe I'll say the specs of the threads or anything. It was actually, a whole kit was for the FZ07, and I ended up just using those lights in here because, you know, I had them and it worked. I love how little they are. Like, you can't even notice it when you're riding at all, and then you turn on the blinkers, like, oh, there they are. And I mean, so total, I'm in it for the price of the bulb. So what, $20? And it looks cleaner than any of those ones that they sell. The only thing is you don't have your license plate light. I thought about taking it out of here, this one, and putting it, I thought that'd be a little bright, and I don't know, I just didn't. And I haven't had any problems. Like, if your car's behind me, I'm sure your headlights would light it up, the plate. But every state's different, you know. Not sure how it is going to be where you're at. But that's what I did. So if you did that, you had to do a custom license plate light. There you go. As promised.